Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to add money in Venmo. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply open your Venmo app and you will end up in this kind of interface. Once you're here, all you need to do now is simply tap on the manage option besides the Venmo balance. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to this page where you need to tap on add money. Once you do this, you will have two other options where you need to select the instant option. So once you have selected the instant option, now you can type in the amount you want to add in your Venmo account. So once you have typed in the amount you want to transfer, hit the next button. Then simply tap on bank you prefer, as there will be the list of banks which you have linked with your Venmo. So once you have selected the bank of your preference, your account will be loaded with the money that have been sent in it through your bank account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.